Oh, they went out of sight. Come on, get back in there. Now, if I go outside, they will stop doing that. But this is the girls in the yard. And as you can tell, they just love it. I'm going to go to the other window so you can see. Okay. Come back here. 'Cause there they are. Where'd she go? Yeah, I don't think they like it here very much, huh? I don't know where they went. But there's the two windows, and then there's the rest of the yard. So it's huge for them, which we just absolutely love. But as you can see, that's the highway down there. That's the only thing I don't like. But it's very convenient to everything. So this is like our computer room that we have set up, cluttered already. But that's the door outside. So, let's see. Babies! Go Ren, go get your toy. And quit digging. Get your toy. No, go get your toy. Go get it. Ouch! Stepped on me. Come on, go get it. Look, it's in the yard. Look. Look. Look, go get your toy right there. Find it. Kaya, you just missed it. There you go. Go play. It's so beautiful out here. It's like 72. You can hear the birds chirping. Kaya. Okay, well that's it for right now, guys. We'll make some more videos later. Bye.